Hello, my name is Anders and this is a SoundStore XL product video. If you want great wireless audio for your devices, then Rode Wireless Go 2 is the product for you. You'll get one receiver and two transmitters. That means you can have two channels of audio. They both have a built-in, really great sounding microphone, so you can just plug it on your shirt and be ready to go. You can also use an external microphone. It could be the Rode Lavalier Go, which I'm using now. And of course you get a windscreen if you want to use it outside. It's a great product because you can use it with almost anything. You can plug it into your camera as long as it has a mini jack input. You can also use the USB-C output and connect it to a computer and use it as an external audio device. You can also connect it to phones, like if you have a smartphone, you can use this one to connect it to iPhones. It's the Rode SC15, which is sold separately, so you just plug it in with USB-C into the receiver and then lightning into the phone. If you use an an Android device, you can just use the supplied USB-C cable and connect it directly. And if something happens to your recording, if there's a dropout or anything, you can actually set these transmitters up to record internally, so you'll always have a backup recording right here where the audio is captured. So all in all, it's a really great product. Personally, I've never had it fail on me. As long as I keep it charged it'll work. And as I said, it's really easy to use. You just turn it on and it'll be ready to go. And you can actually use up to 4 of these systems simultaneously. That means you can have 8 microphones running at the same time without any interference. And the setup is all taken care of by Rode. It's just ready to go and it's great sounding and it's easy to use. So definitely check it out and purchase one today if you want great wireless audio.